Does your Google TV turn on automatically after a power cut? It's annoying and happens a lot in many areas. In this video, I'll show you the simple settings that stop Google TV from auto-powering on when electricity comes back. No apps, no extra devices. Let's fix it.
Go to System Settings on your Google TV. Scroll down and go to System. Scroll down and go to Power and Energy. Click on Energy Saver. Click on When Inactive. Automatically turn off TV when inactive. Select 15 minutes. The power will turn on, but turn off after 15 minutes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.